Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
If James had known about the meeting, he attended it. A. Would have. B. Will have. C. Would. Elizabeth said she to Los Angeles the following week. A. Will travel. B. Would travel. C. Travels. Robert is responsible organizing the charity event. A. Of. B. For. C. To. Either the manager or the employees to submit the report. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. To stay fit, you should eat well, sleep enough, and regularly. A. Exercise. B. Exercising. C. Exercises. If Sophia had taken the earlier train, she in Paris now. A. Will be. B. Would be. C. Would have been. Matteo said he the tickets before the concert sold out. A. Had bought. B. Bought. C. Buys. Pierre is capable solving complex equations quickly. A. Of. B. With. C. To. Neither the teacher nor the students ready for the exam. A. Was. B. Were. C. Be. The presentation was informative, engaging, and designed. A. Beautifully. B. Beautiful. C. Beauty. If Liam had studied harder, he better grades now. A. Would have. B. Would get. C. Would be getting. Chloe said she the project by Friday. A. Had finished. B. Finished. C. Has finished. Finn is excellent playing the guitar. A. At. B. For. C. In. One of the dogs missing from the backyard. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. Liam runs every morning, eats healthy meals, and early. A. Sleep. B. Sleeping. C. Sleeps. If Elizabeth had saved more money, she a house in New York City now. A. Would own. B. Would have owned. C. Will own. James sent he the message before noon. A. Sent. B. Had sent. C. Sends. Sophia felt proud her team's success. A. Of. B. For. C. At. Neither the proposal nor the email's convincing. A. Seem. B. Seems. C. Seemed. On weekends, Mateo enjoys reading, watching movies, and photos. A. Takes. B. Taking. C. Take. If Robert had left earlier, he's stuck in traffic now. A. Wouldn't be. B. Wouldn't have been. C. Won't be. Elizabeth said she had a new job before moving to Houston. A. Found. B. Had found. C. Finds. Pierre was accused breaking the company rules. A. In. B. Of. C. For. Either the coach or the player's going to speak first. A. Are. B. Is. C. Be. Sophia's artwork is sustainable, functional, and beautiful. A. Aesthetic. B. Aesthetically. C. Aesthetics. If Liam had joined the gym earlier, he in better shape now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Will be. Finn said he'd email before the deadline. A. Had sent. B. Sent. C. Sends. Chloe is interested in learning new languages. A. On. B. In. C. At. Neither of the answers correct. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. Robert enjoys painting, hiking, and in nature. A. Relaxing. B. Relax. C. Relaxed. If James had booked earlier, he a cheaper hotel room. A. Would have gotten. B. Will get. C. Would get. Mateo said he all the tickets yesterday. A. Bought. B. Had bought. C. Buys. Sophia is famous for elegant designs. A. By. B. For. C. To. Either the manager or the assistant's going to handle it. A, are. B, is. C, were. To stay creative, Chloe paints, writes, and music. A, compose. B, composing. C, composes. If Pierre had practiced more, he the piano competition. A, would win. B, would have won. C, would be winning. Liam apologized being late to the meeting. A, of. B, for. C, to. Sophia said her family since last summer. A, didn't visit. B, hadn't visited. C, hasn't visited. Neither the lights nor the sound systems working properly. A, was. B, were. C, is. Finn likes food that's colorful, flavorful, and presented. A, beautifully. B, beautiful. C, beauty. If Chloe had taken the earlier flight, she arrived in Sydney by now. A, will have. B, would have. C, would be. James said he the report before the deadline. A, had completed. B, completed. C, completes. Robert is good fixing electronic devices. A, on. B, at. C, with. Neither the players nor the coach happy with the result. A, are. B, is. C, were. On holidays, Chloe enjoys gardening, cooking, and friends. A, visit. B, visiting. C, visits. If Liam had arrived earlier, he waiting so long. A, wouldn't be. B, wouldn't have been. C, won't be. Elizabeth said she the report by the next day. A, finishes. B, would finish. C, will finish. Pierre is afraid flying over the ocean. A, for. B, to. C, of. Either the cake or the cookies burned in the oven. A, is. B, are. C, were. To succeed, you must plan carefully, act decisively, and confidently. A, perform. B, performing. C, performs.
Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.